Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to play 2 versus 2 mode in Clash Royale. To get started, open Clash Royale on your device and head to the Clans tab at the bottom of your screen. From there, tap on Friendly Battle and choose the 2v2 battle option to play a friendly match with your clanmates. If you'd rather jump into a regular 2v2 match, return to the home screen and tap on the Game Modes section near the bottom. Scroll through the list until you find the classic 2v2 mode, select it, and the game will automatically search for a teammate and opponents for you. This mode is perfect for practicing teamwork and earning rewards like chests and crowns without affecting your trophy count. And that's all you need to know to start playing 2v2 battles in Clash Royale. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful gaming tips. Allah Hafiz.